Physical divisions of India and their geographical location. India is entirely located in the northern hemisphere. It is a peninsula of South Asia. India is the seventh largest country. India stands first in terms of population. It extends from Kashmir in the north and Kanyakumari in the south, and from Rann of Kutch in the west and Arunachal Pradesh in the east. The latitudinal is extend from 37 degree north latitude and 8 degree north latitude, and from 68 degree east longitude to 97 degree east longitude. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the center. The neighboring countries of India are Pakistan and Afghanistan is on the northwest, China, Nepal and Bhutan on the north, and Bangladesh and Myanmar on the east. Sri Lanka is on the southeast, is separated from India. The water bodies that surrounds India are Bay of Bengal in the east, Arabian Sea in the west, Indian Ocean in the south. Hence, India has an extensive coastline and many islands. India has 28 states and 8 union territories. Delhi is the national capital. India has a varieties of physical features based on topography. India can be divided into 4 major physical divisions: the northern mountains, the northern plains, the peninsular plateaus, the coastal plains. The northern mountains, they consist largely of mountain ranges. They are the natural boundaries of north, east and northwest. They are the highest mountains in the world, covered with snow. Mount Everest, they have highest peaks, deep valleys, glaciers, mountain passes, etc. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world, height 8,848 meters. But Mount Godley in Austin or Mount K2 are highest peak in India, height 8,611 meters. The role of Himalayas in the economic system of the country is significant. They act as natural frontiers. They prevent cold winds from Central Asia. They are the birthplace of many rivers and home to many hill stations.
The northern plains are located in the Himalayas and Peninsular Plateaus. They are formed by the alluvium deposited by the rivers, example Ganges, Brahmaputra, and their tributaries rise in the Himalayas. The plains are fertile, extensive and flat. They are very useful for the development of agriculture, cities, towns, transports, etc. Due to all these advantages, the plains are densely populated.
The Peninsular Plateau. The Peninsular Plateau is the most extensive physical division of India. The Narmada Sondrail Valley divides the plateau into 2 plateaus. The northern part is known as the Malwa Plateau. The southern part is known as the Deccan Plateau. The highest peak of Aravalli's range is Mount Kurushikar. The Deccan Plateau is surrounded by Satpura Range and Maikala Range and Amarkantak Hills in the north. The Western Ghats extends to south as Annamalai Hill and Kadaman Hill. Annamalai Hill is the highest peak in South India. The Peninsular Plateau is rich in minerals. The Peninsular Plateaus are useful to generate hydroelectricity.
Western coastal plains. The Western coastal plains lies between the Western Ghats and Arabian Sea. It extends from the Gulf of Kutch in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. It is very narrow and rocky. The Eastern coastal plains. The Eastern coastal plains lies between the Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal. It extends from the Gangetic Delta in the north to Kanyakumari in the south.
Islands. There are 247 islands in India. 204 islands in Bay of Bengal called Andaman Nicobar Island, and 43 islands in Arabian Sea. They are called Lakshadweep. The Andaman Nicobar Islands are made up of volcanic rocks. The Lakshadweep Islands are made up of coral sand.
There is a desert known as the Thar Desert in India. It is located in 2/3 of the desert in the Rajasthan, and the remaining desert is in Punjab, Haryana and Gujarat. There are many saline lakes in the desert. They are the source of the common salt. They are called the salt lakes. There are Sambar Lake, Digwan Lake and Sargol Lake. The Sambar Lake is the largest salt lake in India.
Location of Karnataka. It is the 8th largest state in India. The latitude is extends from 11 degree north to 18 degree north. The longitude is extends from 74 degree east to 78 degree east. The Karnataka has both lands and water bodies. Maharashtra in the north, Andhra Pradesh in the east, Kerala to the southwest, Arabian Sea in the west. It has 31 districts and 227 taluks.
Karnataka is a part of Peninsular Plateaus of India. It has a variety of physical features on the basis of landform. Karnataka can be divided into 3 physical divisions. They are the coastal plain, the Malnad region, the Maidan
Coastal plains. It is the western part of Karnataka. It lies between Malnad region and Arabian Sea. It includes the coast, Uttar Kannada, Dakshina Kannada and Udupi. The coastal plain is narrower in north and broader in south. Many west-flowing rivers flow through these coastal plains. There are some There are some islands. Example, Saint Mary, Coconut Island, New Mangaluru. The major port of India is located here. Is known as Gateway of Karnataka.
Region. It is a hilly area lying between the coastal plains and the Maidan region. It is popularly known as Sahyadri Ranges. It is an important physical division of Karnataka because it gets heavy rain and it is densely forested and has many wildlife sanctuaries. It is the source of many rivers and has many beautiful waterfalls. Example, Jog Fall. And many tourist centers. Agumbe, which is located here, receives highest rainfall in Karnataka. There are some high hills. One of them is Mullayanagiri, the highest mountain in Karnataka, which is 1913 meter high.
The Maidan region. It lies to the east of Malnad and has undulating surface. River the Tungabhadra, which passes through the center of this region. It divides into two divisions, the northern Maidan and southern Maidan.
Is an extensive few flat plateau with a few flat double hills. This region is made up of basalt rocks and covered with black soil. It slopes towards the east in the direction in which river Krishna and Bhima flow. This region has low rainfall. The northern Maidan is very low rainfall.
The southern Maidan is also known as Mysuru Plateau. It has very undulating and some hilly regions such as Madheshwara Hills, Biligiri Rangana Hills, Nandi Hills, Chamundi Hills, etc. Like the northern Maidan, this plateau also slopes toward the east in the direction of river Kaveri. This plateau is covered. The last part of this plateau is covered with red soil. This region gets more rainfall than the northern Maidan.
The greatest ocean known by the name of the country India is Indian Ocean.
The Ganga River is sacred for the people of India. The Indian Standard Time is taken from 82.5 degree east longitude and it passes through the center of our country.
The Yana mountain in the North Canada is made up of two rocky hills now, with many streams flowing down. It is surrounded by thick forest and it is a tourist center. A distant African where watershed gigantic baobab tree are in Savunuru in Haveri district, also known as Golagnath tree. Bijapur and Bagalkot receive breed of dogs called Mudalhans are very popular and exported to other countries. Cloth sarees of Banati in Bagalkote district silk of Hirakan. And the slippers of Patani are famous and have great distribution. The hierarchy atmosphere Raichur district looks like a Lord Buddha lying down in position. The Trinity River flows to the Basavakaliana River and Shura destroyed Disorna. Davangere was known as Manchester of Karnataka because it is famous for cotton clothes, cotton textiles.